Basque Pyrenees Freedom Trails Association is a charitable organisation based in the Basque country, which is dedicated to recovering the historical memory of what were called the escape lines during World War II throughout the Basque country. Escape lines were networks or groups of people or individuals who sheltered those who were seeking to escape from Nazi-occupied Europe. Well, our objectives are to recover that memory of the bravery shown by Basque people at that time. And the most interesting part for us is retracing the routes and walking those routes and getting people interested in walking in the footsteps of their forefathers. People really understand then what people endured at that time. What we're most looking forward to this weekend is welcoming back all of the family members of the key people in the escape line operation that went from Mendive in Iparralde to Navarra. For example, the Scapins family, and in particular Claire Scapins, the daughter of Charles Scapins, the eldest son of Cyril Pomerantsev, Boris, will be travelling with his family all the way from Brazil, and the Verneuil family from Brussels, they're travelling down. We have people coming from Ireland, from England, from Belgium, from France, as I said, from Brazil, from Canada, and from the United States. Meg Ostrom, who wrote the seminal work, the book, The Surgeon and the Shepherd, about the escape line. So we're really looking forward to everybody meeting up.
I'm here with a group of people who are all much younger than I am and who were all interested in the escape routes during World War II. It was very moving for me to drive into Mendive and to see the people I knew.
Mon père a beaucoup parlé des ratis, mais il n'a jamais parlé que c'était aussi beau que ça. Moi, j'ai déjà beaucoup voyagé, mais j'ai rarement vu quelque chose qui est aussi beau. C'est magnifique. C'est un endroit de Dieu.
Pour moi, et je pense pour mes oncles, ma mère, mes oncles et tantes qui étaient là avec moi aujourd'hui, avec nous, je pense que c'était marcher sur leurs traces, passer là où ils sont passés, voir la difficulté que ça a dû être, en se disant que nous, on le fait dans des conditions de soleil, de beau temps, d'amitié, et qu'eux, ils le faisaient dans des conditions de nuit, de mauvais temps, de faim, d'angoisse et de peur et de danger. Et pour nous, c'était essayer de se remettre dans leurs traces et peut-être de recréer un lien avec eux de cette manière-là et de leur dire merci.
Anyone who recovers and rediscovers the stories of the escape lines are immediately drawn into them. It's exciting to put that out there and to watch people enjoy seeing the information and the stories again.